Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mount Olive, local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the best cheap Mount Olive moving company should be easier than it seems. When you choose 3 Movers, you get an affordable option for local and long-distance moves. We know how to make moving so much easier. Our team of movers has helped homeowners, veterans, students, business owners, and renters move with ease. A long-distance move gets easier with the right options, such as packing services. No need to do the tedious work of packing and unpacking. Our team will do it for you. Moving supplies. Your most fragile items will remain protected with our high-quality moving supplies and packing materials. An on-time move. Our movers show up at the scheduled time on moving day. We are ready to work for you and keep your moving day from getting delayed. Upfront pricing. You get upfront and accurate pricing when you choose to get a quote from us. Licensed and insured. All your belongings remain protected with our professional movers. Whether you need to move one state over or across the country, we can make it easier. It's stressful to uproot your life and move it to a new place. Let us take some of the stress away by making the moving process easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mount Olive moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.